Hi guys, I am so excited to show you how to make these gorgeous felt flower wood bunnies. As always, this is a homemade luxe craft kit and you can pick all the materials you need to create this kit from our website at homemadeluxe.com. Now, first step is to paint that super cute white bunny white, and you're going to just add 2 coats. Next, included in your kit is a template for how to make and instructions for how to make certain flowers. The first one we're going to do is our rosette, and so you're just going to cut out that template with your scissors. This can be a little tricky, so just make sure your scissors are nice and sharp, especially when you get to the part about doing your actual felt. You're going to need some nice sharp scissors. Okay, once you've cut out that template, you're gonna go ahead and just tape this to felt. You can just put it on there, but I feel like tape helps it to stay better. And then you just cut out your felt template out of your felt. And I find it's a little bit easier if you cut just your line first, and then you go in and do those details on the ends with your little arches. Okay, once that's all done, you go ahead and just remove your paper template, and you can use the edge of a paintbrush or a pencil and just kind of start twirling that rosette onto itself. And every few, you just add a little bit of hot glue, and just be careful not to burn yourself. Honestly, doing felt flowers, there's always a little burning of the fingertips involved. You won't be a real crafter unless you got a little hot glue burn. I'm just joking. Yeah, so just every few, just to keep it together, you go ahead and just add a little bit of hot glue in a little line and just keep twirling it. And don't do it too tightly. You still want to have a nice full rosette at the end, but you don't want to do it too loose to where it falls apart. So, just have that happy medium of making sure it's nice and, firm, but yet nice and loose. So once you get to the end, you're going to glue that bottom part onto the bottom. And then next we're going to do another flower, which is our rosette, and you're just going to cut out your petals out of your template just like this. Once you've got your template cut, you're going to just go ahead and put it on top of felt flowers, on top of your felt, and fold it over several times so you can just cut once and have 4 of these done, or 5, however many you can get from your felt. So now you've got all these felts. Do any adjustments as you need to, just kind of make sure it's you can't see any pen marks and they're actual nice circles. And then go ahead and do the same with your rectangle. So with your rectangle, you're going to do a chrysanthemum basically. So you're going to just fold it in half and then just do some small little slits across the folded edge. It's very, very simple, but this is very small, so that this is just the inside of your little rosette. And then just continue doing all of your circles. These are the smaller petals, and your scissors needs to be nice and sharp so you can cut through this felt. Otherwise, just do them one by one. Once you have your petals, you're gonna cut them in thirds just like this. Then you can kind of put a few on top of each other, the small ones and then the medium ones, and then just separate these out. So you have the middle, the right, and the left, and then again do that with your bigger flowers. Once you have that going, you're gonna start and just add those in rows, starting with this one of the sides, and you're just gonna keep adding that onto the chrysanthemum, which is your middle piece. Gonna start with the bigger ones and then eventually the smaller ones, and then go up to the bigger ones. You're just going to continue to layer that until it makes a nice, beautiful rosette. And just showing you how to make different sizes of chrysanthemums now. You're going to make several sizes of these, so just cut your felt in different lengths and then do this. Just fold it over and do your little slits and twist it up together, and then you can make different sizes and different colors of these chrysanthemums. So you're going to do different sizes, different colors, do them tighter and shorter, and just however much you want to do. Just showing you how I cut these, making sure that I have 2 inches or 1 inch or however wide I want them to be, and then however long I want them to be. Just estimating. And then lastly, you're going to make some leaves. You can see all the different rosettes, the roses, and the chrysanthemums in the background, and just cut some leaves. And the final step is to just add them to your arrangement in whatever, however you want to. You just add them onto your bunny, and it just looks amazing. Again, you can grab this craft kit from homemadelux.com. Can't wait to craft with you guys again next month.